Hi, I'm Andy, the DAQ product manager at Advantech. Join me at Advantech IoT Academy, where we explore our high-performance DAQ series, the PCIE-1800 series. Discover how our DAQ systems are essential across industries, like electronic manufacturing, semiconductor, and test and measurement for quality control and monitoring. We offer PCIe, USB, and modular DAQ solutions, backed by powerful Technavy software and SDK tools. Our PCIe-1800 series features high-speed sampling, precision, and synchronization, making it ideal for real-time applications. Whether you need multifunction cards, pure analog input, or dynamic signal analysis, we have the right solution for you. Join us as we delve into the world of high-performance DAQ solutions at Advantech IoT Academy.